Most people reviewing AI tools focus on features. I want to focus on something more important. What actually changes after you use it? Because tools don't matter. Results do. And that's exactly how we should evaluate AI directors. Let's talk about something nobody measures. Mental fatigue. Constant prompting. Fixing mistakes. Repeating instructions. Second-guessing outputs. That cost adds up. Time lost. Energy drained. Momentum killed. AI directors exists to eliminate that cost. Most AI tools give you access. AI directors gives you control. Control over tone, behavior, consistency, execution. Once a director is set, AI doesn't improvise, it performs. Businesses don't want creativity every time. They want standards. Same messaging. Same quality. Same output. AI directors create standards for AI. That's why it scales. Role-based directors. AI knows exactly what it is responsible for. Workflow logic. Tasks flow without friction. Reusability. Time invested once, benefits forever. This is long-term ROI, not short-term excitement. Content creators. Blogs, scripts, emails without rewriting. Marketers. Campaigns that stay on brand. Business owners. Customer replies, SOPs, documentation. Students and professionals. Summaries, research, structured learning. Same tool, different outcomes. Week 1. Learning curve. System setup. Understanding logic. Month 1. Speed increases. Confidence grows. Less correction needed. Month 3. AI becomes reliable. Workflows feel automatic. Productivity compounds. That's how real tools work. Don't ask, how much does it cost? Ask, how much time does it save? If it saves 30 minutes per day, that's 15+ hours per month. For most people, that alone justifies it. Will AI still make mistakes? Yes, but fewer, and easier to fix. Is this overkill? Only if you don't use AI seriously. Does it replace other AI tools? No, it makes them better. Chat-based AI equals reactive. AI directors equals proactive. One responds. One executes. If you use AI regularly, care about efficiency, want consistency over chaos, AI directors is a smart upgrade. Check the description or pinned comment for full details, pricing, and bonuses.